Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer language skills with Preply, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Preply website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill out the required information such as your name, email, and password. Once you have created your account, log in to your Preply dashboard. Navigate to the Tutors section to find language instructors suited to your needs. Use the search filters to specify the language you want to learn and your preferred tutor's characteristics. Review the profiles of available tutors, paying attention to their qualifications and teaching styles. Select a tutor that matches your criteria and click on their profile for more details. Check the tutor's availability and lesson pricing. Schedule your first lesson by selecting a convenient date and time. After scheduling, prepare your learning materials and topics you wish to discuss. Join the lesson through the link provided in your confirmation email or directly in your dashboard. Engage actively during the lesson by asking questions and practicing speaking skills. After your lesson, take notes on the key points to reinforce what you learned. Provide feedback to your tutor to help tailor future lessons. Repeat this process, scheduling regular sessions to continuously build your language skills. Utilize additional resources on the Preply platform, such as exercises and study guides, to complement your learning. Track your progress regularly to stay motivated and identify areas for improvement. Continue refining your language skills until you achieve your desired level of proficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.